Hey, how are you? Welcome to the Coding Zoo. This is your first time joining. My name is Shane, and this is the JavaScript Building Blocks series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about a new ES6 data structure called set. If you're not familiar with set, you definitely want to check it out. It's a great data structure to be aware of and know when to use it, how to use it. So if that interests you, stick around. We're going to jump right in. All right, so hey, on my desktop, I have an index.html page. There's not much in the page, just a basic page, and I link to a main.js. So as usual, I have the code commented out to save a little time. Let's check out how to create a set. So in a recent video, we learned about creating maps. If you haven't checked out the map video yet, pretty neat. I definitely recommend that you learn both map and set. They're very similar, but there are some differences. So check that out. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. So on here, I am creating a set. That set is called contacts. So I'm doing constant contacts equals new set. Set's the new data structure. So a set is a data structure that will allow you to store primitives or objects and not have duplicates. So for example, if you were using an array, you could easily put the name Shane in that array multiple times, and that's not unique. You'd have duplicates. Well, a set won't let you do that. I'm adding the name Shane and Nick and Gabrielle to this contacts set. And here I'm actually using a forEach method that's built into the set, and the forEach takes a function. I'm using an arrow function here. I'm passing each contact in contacts, and I'm writing it out with this document.write. Let's try that real quick. So load my screen. So each contact in the set, Shane, Nick, and Gabrielle. Now, what happens if I add the same contact multiple times? Click refresh, and there we go. It did not add Gabrielle to the array again. Pretty nice, pretty neat. So let's move on to the function has. So a set has a has function. Wow, a set has a has function. Can't believe I just did that. Okay, so set has a has function. Look how I'm saying if not contacts has ting, then go ahead and add ting. So pretty similar to the map data structure. Save it, click refresh, and added contact ting. So it actually ran the if block because ting wasn't in there, and it added ting. So if I wanted to make sure she was in there, save it. Now if contacts has ting, write it out. Found ting. So found ting. Pretty neat. All right, another utility function that's built into the set is delete. So just like a map, it has a delete function. That function allows me to delete a particular entry in the set, just like it would in a map. So save that, write it out. So we have Nick, Gabrielle, and Ting, and Shane is no longer there. So I was able to delete the one entry from the set. So it did that for us. All right, so let's go ahead and look at another utility function that's built in. We have clear. Well, clear will, of course, clear out the host set, and you could reuse it. So I'm going to save it. Let's see what happens if I try to loop through it. Clearing the set, here's what's left. Well, nothing's left. So it cleared the set. Pretty simple. The set, just like a map, has a constructor that could take in an array. Now in this array, I can put primitives, I can put objects, whatever I want to put into the set. It again will make sure that there are no duplicates. And just to test that out, let's just add a duplicate. All right. I'm going to print out the size. and there are 3 items in that set, and it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, so we got rid of the duplicate. Now, what if I wanted to loop through the values? Well, you've seen the forEach method here. That, of course, will work. Another way you can do that is using the values utility function. JavaScript, Java, Python, and Python's only there once. Pretty neat, pretty simple structure. You can store stuff just like an array. You can iterate through them. You can remove a single item from it, or you can clear it out. So pretty neat. The difference in this and an array is it will not allow duplicates. So that's a good thing. Protect your data, right? All right, hey, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions, again, feel free to leave me a comment. I will get back to you. So our goal at the Coding Zoo is to teach others like yourself. If you know anyone who wants to learn how to program, send them our way. Copy this link to this video and send it to them. We'd love to have them. If you enjoyed the video and you haven't subscribed yet, there's a button below. Please remember to go ahead and click that button and click like if you like this video. That helps us out a lot. I appreciate it. I am a passionate software engineer who loves programming, and I want to help others learn how to program too. And I didn't go to school for it. I learned on my own. If you're going to school, that's great. I recommend it if you can, but the programming field is one field you can get into without a degree. So hey, thanks for joining. Hope you liked the video. Hope to see you next time. Have a great week.